All right, guys, 2020 Ram Rebel 5.7 HEMI. Really nice truck, got custom wheels. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it, factory converter wise into a single, factory resonator, a baby one. Then what we did is put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430S, as in Sam. There's the box hole for it. There's the part number right there, guys. 15430S as in Sam. Then we added a 3-inch pipe. Then it wires out the back on each side, there and there. And then we left the stock resonators on it, there and there. And put some 5-inch black roll tips to complete the look, complete the murdered look. Came out really nice, really clean. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Now it sounds like a Ram. Yes, perfect. Here's sound decibels again. 105. That's perfect. That's keeping the resonators on it, guys. Go ahead and back it out. Even in the rain, we'll record a video for you guys. Touch on the Ram. Check that out, guys. That's cool. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram Rebel. Really nice truck. FLOWMASTER Outlaw, stock resonators, 5-inch tips. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.